certainly a fan favorite for a lot of people there.
And those smaller local ski hills and areas are so important to the community. You think of like the after-school ski clubs. And,
right, it's where a lot of them go.
Right?
Where a lot of people learn to ski.
That's the way I learned. I learned at a small little hill, and I've fell in love with skiing with that, and it gave me something positive to do in the winter with friends from school and all that.
We all need. It reaches a lot more people because it's a little more affordable.
Right.
Yeah.
All those things are positive.
Good news today. Glad to hear it.
Definitely. We have some good news for the ski areas in the weather department too, in that we're going back to cold and there will be some snow. Tomorrow, everybody knows at this point we're heading back to the bitter chill. And then on Saturday, there will be some light snow, mainly in the afternoon and evening. However, there are some signs in some of the guidance today. There may be some snow showers even in the morning on Saturday. And then we're watching a storm offshore Sunday night. It looks like a miss, but we'll talk about that in a minute. It may still be very close to us. Right now we're still out ahead of the cold front, which means most of us in southern and central Maine are in the 40s, even 44 in Calais. Berlin still at 35. We've dried things out and the front is starting to come through, and behind it will come the cold. And that cold, by the way, goes all the way down into the deep south and even Florida, where there will be a frost in spots tonight. Over the next few hours could be a spot shower, but the bigger story will be the temperature drop. And again, there could be some black ice late tonight and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow up over northern Maine, there will be some snow showers, could be some blowing snow in Aroostook County. For the rest of us, we'll have sunshine developing and it's just a cold day. The breeze will be blowing about 10 to 20 miles per hour, so that will make a wind chill the factor all day long. And tomorrow night, it's cold but quiet, and that wind will start to ease up. No issues for any Friday night plans. Little clipper comes in from the west though for Saturday, and I think out ahead of it there could be some snow showers even around daybreak near the coastline and in southern Maine. Then a little area of low pressure forms in the Gulf of Maine and focuses a steadier burst of snow for Saturday evening and Saturday night, getting out of here on Sunday. So we'll show you a closer timeline here. This is midnight tomorrow night. Clouds are thickening up, and there may be some snow showers or patchy light snow that breaks out Saturday morning. I don't think any of this is all that heavy, but given it's a little earlier than it first looked, that's why I wanted to point it out. And then during the late afternoon and evening, some steadier snow comes in. Along the coastline, it's probably going to be a bit milder, so it's at least a wetter snow, if not some rain on parts of the mid-coast and down east for a while Saturday evening. And then this is out of here by Sunday morning. In general, 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of us. Could be a bit less on the coast where it's a bit wetter, and there might be some amounts up over 3 inches to the north of Bangor. That's the Saturday system. Now a more important storm, a bigger one, forms off the southeast coast Sunday into Sunday night, traveling along this stationary front. Right now, if you were to take some of the computer model guidance literally, the European for example, this is a complete miss. However, some are still closer to us. So at this point, we do not expect a big hit, but we could be near the northwestern edge of the snow Sunday night and Monday morning. So along the coastline and especially down east, let's still watch this just to see if it creeps any closer. But at this point, it doesn't look like a big storm for us. Seas tomorrow, 6 to 9 feet, gale warning up on the water with a strong westerly wind. So the cold blows in here tomorrow. Then on Saturday, we're cloudy with a few snow showers in the morning and light snow more likely late in the day and at night. Sunday we should get a break. We will watch Sunday night into Monday morning. At this point, a big hit does not look likely, but there could be some snow that makes it onto parts of the coast, and then it's cold following that storm. Pulls it down once it goes by middle of next week.
Getting interesting again.
It is. Back to winter.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
Thanks.